How's everybody doing? Please subscribe, like, and share the video, and have a great day. Had a little tangle there. Got it all fixed. New zone setup for tomorrow. So the grazing zones, I'm gonna let them stay in them a week, and I'm gonna set up about 3, maybe keep the main run as the 4th zone, and that way they don't damage the section too much. Got some rhubarb coming up here. Separated a chive, and I got 2 rows of, 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 in a row. For those of you who have stuck around this long, at the end of this video, I'll leave you with some footage of the baby birds. They're almost half feathered. So I'm up in the orchard and I'm setting up the beehive. And this orchard is old. It's probably from the 70s. It was on this property when we moved here. You know, some of the trees might be a little bit younger than that, but there's only a couple really fruit bearers, and a couple of them are hit or miss. Have a few apples, some don't. Needs a lot of work. Winter before last, I dropped a lot of trees, and I've been harvesting some of them for some wood for different projects, and I still have a couple more pieces to bring out for the beehive. And I made the sugar water last night. The bees could be coming anytime. It's really exciting. And I hope I don't get stung. So up to that stone wall, all the way out to the apple trees, it was like a forest. Last year, the orchard got to adjust to all the new airflow and hopefully some sunlight. And I left one birch over there. I like birch. And there's a lot of stuff to use. It's all energy, it's all useful. Can make raised beds, plenty of stuff to cook some steak on, plenty of kindling. Oh boy, I'm kindling rich. So here's one of my projects. Those poles are over 22 feet long, and clean those up and use them as a gate. I made a grape arbor. We've got a wild grape that comes up. That's the grape. Here's the raspberry patch. Well, thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and enjoy the baby chicken footage.